Hey there, Tall Man Clan. Welcome back. Today we are in Daytona Beach, Florida, outside the International Speedway. We're going to look at this Reflection 100 series. This is the 22RK. Let's do it. We want to thank La Mesa, who is holding this event. So if you like one of these RVs, make sure you give La Mesa in Sanford, Florida a call. All right, as we start up in the front, as you see, there's a decent sized storage area up here. What I love is this has an aluminum deck up top, which is nice. The inside is carpeted. You have power. You've got connections for satellite and cable and stuff, which is nice. If you back up, there's an awning that covers, well, about, I'd say 80% of the side. And if you look, this is like a tiny fifth wheel. If you're not looking for like something really huge, this might be a really good one for you. Let's go a little bit further. You've got dual axles. They're spread apart a little bit more than normal. You've got upgraded suspension. This is a 4-point electric auto level system. You've got a nice step above step, a nice extended handrail, which is great. As we move around to the back, you see there's a ladder permanently mounted, pre-wired for a Furrion backup camera, and there's a utility hitch as well. As we continue to come around, your connection for your sewer is right here, and there's also a pole which is right underneath the slide. Here's a second connection for sewer. Your power connection is right here. And as we come to the other side of your front storage area, this is where your water connection is and the main poles for your tanks. All right, you also have two 30, or those 40s, no, those are 30 pounders. They just look like really big, don't they, Lisa?
Yeah, they do look pretty big.
It's because this is such a tiny fifth wheel.
I think so,
yep.
Yeah.
So you have two 30-pound propane tanks. One's on one side, one's right here. All right, let's take a look at the numbers. This has a gross vehicle weight of 9,995 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,953 pounds. So when this sucker is empty, it's just like, what is that, 6,000 pounds? 7, 8, 9. Yeah, just about 6,000 pounds empty. As we come around to the front, you do have just a basic hitch. Your utility cabinet there, as you see, there is a solar converter in there, so I believe there's solar up on top. It's where your batteries go. I call that your utility cabinet. All right, so let's go look inside here. Okay, as you come in here, remember, this is like a tiny fifth wheel. This is like one of the tiniest ones we've seen in a long time. So your living room, dining room, kitchen are all in this area. It's a rear kitchen, so Lisa's sort of in the kitchen already, right when you come in the door, which is nice. So if you're loading in groceries, you come right in the door and bam, there's your kitchen.
Exactly, right there. Love it. And you got all this countertop space too. Cabinetry overhead, lots of that. Over here we have a large single basin sink with a tall faucet. I like the little window here. Yeah. Like I said, overhead you've got plenty of cabinetry. Nice. Right?
And they're all independent cabinets.
Yeah, I do like that.
A lot of times they pass all the way through so stuff can move around when you're driving. Those are all independent cabinets.
Yeah.
Love the lights up above there, Lisa. Little balance.
Me too. You do have a microwave. We have a 3-burner stove with an oven. There's cabinetry all underneath. There's drawers. We have...
Ooh, nice big storage there.
Yeah. Big space. And lots more drawers. Look at that.
By the way, before I forget, look at the price on this, guys. $38,500.
Yeah.
$38,500.
That's amazing.
Right?
Yeah, and then plus you have your little sidebar here. So there's some more cabinetry here. There's some drawers and some little cubbies underneath.
Nice. There's power here on the side as well as USB charging ports. So if you want to do your coffee pot there, you can.
Beautiful. And right here we have our 12 volt.
Nice. There is power over here too in the kitchen. We didn't show it. It's right up there. Okay. So yeah, and then we get to the living room. Here are your theater chairs. They're part electric, part manual. It's got massage and heating features, which is of course the electric, but if you want to recline, that's sort of a manual thing, okay? Directly across from me is where the TV is, so it's actually in a pretty good place. So if you're sitting here and watching TV, it's basically directly right on, which is awesome. There's some cabinetry up there as well. It's not very deep, but still there's plenty of room to store stuff up in there.
Yeah.
There is power up here underneath on both sides.
Very nice.
Right, and then you got your traditional sort of RV dinette. What I mean by that is storage underneath the benches. This comes off these poles and sits on these two little rails, so that can convert to a bed.
Very nice.
All right, so let's go up to the front and see what's up here. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tallman's Toilet Test.
All right, if this is your first time watching one of our videos, I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around the RV. Also, if it's your first time, do us a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, become part of the Tallman clan. It is free to you, and it really does help out the channel, and we would sincerely appreciate it. Thank you very much. Okay, at my height, as you can see, there is no restrictions for someone 6'4", or probably even taller. Also, if you're a little on the fluffy side, there's plenty of room in here as well. I don't feel restricted at all whatsoever. Directly across from me is where your sink is, and there's a decent-sized countertop, Lisa.
Nice.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
All right, you got some drawers. There's also storage underneath here. And let's not forget the medicine cabinet, and I can see my entire self. And of course, you're not going to be putting huge bottles in there, but you know, you can put enough. Okay, so let's climb in that shower. This is normally a sticking point for me, but as you can see, I have no height problems in here. In fact, Lisa, if you back up and show, this is sort of on the, it's not raised up. So I do have to step over to get in, but I'm basically at the ground level, if you will. And so it's not raised, therefore I don't have any height restriction issues. Yeah, really nice. There's a couple of shelves here in the back, 3 of them. Yeah, so decent shower, so definitely thumbs up on this bathroom. Now let's go look all the way in the front. Oh,
And
I forgot about the cabinet up here.
Yes.
There's no doors on it, but I guess that's where you'd have to put your towels.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, so let's go look at the bedroom. Grand Design has always been really good about putting residential size mattresses. I do have my handy dandy tape measure today, so let's take a measure. And, yep, 60 by 80. So that is a residential queen mattress. All right, so you usually have some storage underneath here too. Decent storage, love it. It's all finished off in there.
Right.
Which is nice. Back on the headboard up there, you've got a shelf up top. There's plenty of power. There you go. There's also some flanking cabinetry left and right. Lisa will show you that one there, but I have one on the other side. No hanging space there. There's also some cabinets down low as well. There you go. She'll open that for you guys. And the reason why there's no hanging space is there is hanging space over on this side right here. I'll take that from Lisa and show you guys. And so this is where you would hang all of your clothes. Now, to me, it would look like this would be good for a washer dryer. It is not. That is just access for plumbing for the shower. Okay? And you do have a couple of drawers there. So there you go. If you're looking for a tiny fifth wheel, this might be a good one for you. Let us know what you think down in the comments. 22RK. All right. Until we see you all again on the road, be safe.